Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlaminis from the 4th to the 6th of November 2024 on Monday. Sibongile is defeated after Jabu kicks her to the car, but Zama is willing or unwilling to let her go without a fight. Meanwhile, an excited Njengaye shares his big plans for Sibongile Holdings on Tuesday. Sibongile turns to Wenzo when Zama suggests protesting as a way to keep her in school. She also needs to win her father's forgiveness. While Gcina tried to pull herself together, Vusi seems to be falling apart. Can Samge convince Kuzwayo she's not to be messed with on Wednesday? Sibongile begs Zama to halt the protest while Njengaye moves to give her an offer she can't refuse. Gcina has a horrid time with Peteni and her friends at the restaurant. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.